It's official. The garden is waking up. Columbine. Hollyhocks. Lots and lots of iris. And daffodils. More columbine. There's something else in here, and I'm not sure what it is. These guys? Not sure what those are. Daffodils. These are half done and half undone. That is the one and only daily that we have. Oh, I take that back. There's another one over there. Can you see him? He's little, itty bitty. Cool, 2 dailies. So Henry bought me a whole bunch. Oh, coyotes are running this morning. Anyway, Henry bought me a whole stack of daylilies last year, and they were just crap. I mean, there was no way to know that when we bought them. They were just crap. They were from a big box store, and there's one of those packs that you buy, and he bought a bunch of them because the whole point was to get some daylilies. We had tried to find sprouted ones, you know, that were looking good in a pot and stuff. Couldn't find them. And got these instead. They're all bare root. Did all the soak and all this and the other thing you're supposed to do. Just terrible. I think there were like 6 pots of them or something like that. They were supposed to have, I don't know, 3, 4, 5 plants. And each one, I think, probably 3. And 0, 0 is the answer. Now, somebody's been chewing on these guys. This is hollyhock. And you see all these nipped off things here? That's either a chipmunk, a squirrel, or some other kind of rodent. That and this, and a couple of other on this side here, those are tulips. There's some here too. And I bet that that other plant that I looked at is the same as this, and that would make them Sweet William. So the garden is waking up. It's very official. The crocus are done. And, but they still have some very nice greenery, so yeah, it's vaguely possible that some of them still might bloom. I'm not seeing any more buds, but that doesn't mean anything. But I'm just delighted that we actually got a beautiful bloom this spring. Still getting a couple. Most of these are done blooming, but there could be a couple more that come up there, and I need to actually peer under here. I can see that there's one plant there and one here. This rosemary smells so good when you touch it. Now we'll be watching for the iris to start putting up some sprouts and buds and stuff like that. And we still have tulips over here that have just started popping up. This is the Sweet William from last year. Did not bloom last year. They made it sound like it would, but it obviously didn't. This is probably my favorite part of the spring, is these guys. I did notice in the other perennial bed the hollyhocks are up, the calendula are coming up.